east because we have, in general, a southerly flow. Warmer air coming in, rain coming our way in Boston. It's just about here. We've had a few pockets of some freezing rain or some light freezing drizzle happening for us. Down towards Poughkeepsie's been one spot I'm watching this morning. Luckily, the trend is up for temperatures. And up in Caribou, Maine, just saw some great news from the Weather Service. If it's been too cold for you, you're going to have your warmest night and day since early November coming up tonight and tomorrow. So there's that. But it's going to come up with just a mess of everything. You know, we've got the rain making your way up here through Pennsylvania. Haven't seen a lot of snow reports coming in, but it's possible. Bedford, we're at 33 degrees, and the radar showing that we could have some mixing in of some wintry precip. But overall, it's going to be a rainy scene across this area in the next 24 hours, even 36 hours or so. We see these waves of rain come in. New York City tonight, just a mess of a commute with heavy rain at times. Boston, we get it a little bit later. Showers work in, too, across western Pennsylvania. Not until tomorrow morning do we see some of this cold air make its way in, getting into some lake effect, and we'll see the chance for that. Not a big event, not a big classic event, but definitely there is a chance for that. More widespread will be the rainfall. 1 to 2 inches of rain in the forecast. Felicia.
Are definitely dealing with, Felicia. The U.S. flu season is off to an alarmingly fast start this year, the earliest start in nearly 2 decades.
And an estimated 900 people have already died as an early spike of illness in the South spreads more rapidly. We're joined live now by Dr. Susan Rem. She's an infectious disease specialist at the Cleveland Clinic. Doc, thanks for joining us this morning. So we need to talk about this. The last time we revved up this fast was back in, 2003, 2000? That's the hour we share a little wisdom answering your questions about the weather. So there is a difference between hoarfrost and rime ice. They may look similar, but the difference actually comes in the way they form. Rime ice is actually liquid going to ice, so supercooled water droplets going to ice. Hoarfrost is actually vapor that goes directly to ice here. And the way that they form actually creates a different look. It allows it to form differently. Rime ice you might think of maybe on the wing of an airplane. You see rime ice sometimes on the windward side of a mountain, and sometimes everything is coated in ice and white here. That happens when you get the wind blowing, you know, the air that is either foggy or just filled with supercooled water droplets. And hoarfrost happens when you have a nice, clear, calm, cold night. It's usually right near the ground, oftentimes on like grass blades. And Jim, you said it's